Srimatre Namaha, housewarming ceremony, the Vedic rituals simplified so that every one of us can do that without the help of a priest where it is not available. Firstly, you need to do a Lakshmi Puja at the main entrance of the house, not the compound wall gate, the main door of the house. You need to be there at least half an hour to 45 minutes before the Muhurta time. The Muhurta, as per our Guru, is the time when you put your first step into the house, crossing the main door frame. So, apply turmeric paste to the main door sill, at the bottom plank and the side planks to a certain height, and also apply kumkum dots for auspicious energy. After that, you put a mat, you and your wife, if both are doing. If a single person is doing, just one mat, and keep all the puja items. We have listed the items in a separate file. First, light the lamp, praying God for blessings to lead a happy and prosperous and healthy life in that house. And apply 2 kumkum dots on either side of the light. Everything should be outside the door frame. Even the light should be kept outside the door frame. Now, with folded hand, you do Guru Dhyanam. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheswaraha, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Sri Gurave Namaha. In case you have a Guru mantra, you can recite instead of this mantra. And then you recite Ganapati Sloka. Shuklam Varadharam Vishnum Sashivarnam Chaturbhujam Prasannavadanam Dhyayet Sarva Vighnopashamtayet. Then you do Achamanam. Take a spoonful of pure water in your right hand and drink without touching the upper lip 3 times, each time saying this mantra. Aim Atmatatvaya Svaha, Klim Vidyatatvaya Svaha, Sauh Sivatatvaya Svaha. And then pour water into a plate in such a way that the water flows between your middle and ring fingers of the right hand into the plate. While pouring the water, recite Aim Klim Sauh Sarvatatvebhya Svaha. You do pranayama, reciting Gayatri mantra. Om Bhur Bhuvasvaha Tatsavitur Varenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yonah Prachodayat. Closing your left nostril with your right ring finger, breathe into the right nostril, reciting Gayatri mantra mentally once. Now close the right nostril also with your right thumb and hold the breath inside, reciting Gayatri mantra mentally twice. Open the left nostril and breathe out slowly, reciting Gayatri mantra mentally once. Hold the breath outside without breathing in or breathing out and recite Gayatri mantra mentally once. Closing your right nostril with your right thumb, breathe into the left nostril, reciting Gayatri mantra mentally once. And now close the left nostril also with your right ring finger. Hold the breath inside, reciting Gayatri mantra mentally twice. Open the right nostril, breathe out slowly, reciting Gayatri mantra mentally once. And finally, hold the breath outside without breathing in and recite Gayatri mantra mentally once. Sankalpam. Take akshatas in your right fist and keep your right fist on your left palm and keep both on your right thigh and recite. You need to repeat what is said in the mantra. Mama upapta samasta duritakshaya dwara Mahalakshmi paradevata prityartham pradhana dwara vasita Mahalakshmi Pujam Karishye. So saying, put the akshatas on the Pradhanadvara. Akshatas, Pradhanadvara means main door. Akshatas are prepared by mixing raw rice with turmeric powder and a drop of ghee, clarified butter. Now you start doing the 16 services to the Lakshmi, goddess of wealth, at the door frame. Now hold Akshatas in your right hand. Om Srim Hrim Srim Kamale Kamalalaye Prasida Prasida Srim Hrim Srim Om Mahalakshmi Namah Dhyayami. Close your eyes. Mentally do a meditation on Mahalakshmi, on her form, and then put the Akshatas on the door sill. Again take Akshatas. Om Srim Hrim Srim Kamale Kamalalaye Prasida Prasida Srim Hrim Srim Om Mahalakshmi Namah Avahayami. Put the Akshatas onto the door sill as if you are inviting Mahalakshmi to come and step into the house for the first time before you. Now take a flower in your right hand and recite Om Srim Hrim Srim Kamale Kamalalaye Prasida Prasida Srim Hrim Srim Om Mahalakshmi Namah Ratna Simhasanartham Pushpam Akshatam Samarpayami. Place flower and akshatas onto the door sill. Sprinkle water as long as this mantra is recited. Om Srim Hrim Srim Kamale Kamalalaye Prasida Prasida Srim Hrim Srim Om Mahalakshmi Namah. Imagine you are washing her feet. Om Srim Hrim Srim Kamale Kamalalaye Prasida Prasida Srim Hrim Srim Om Mahalakshmi Namah Arkhyam Samarpayami. Imagine you are washing her hand. Take a spoonful of water and hold it with your right hand. Om Srim Hrim Srim Kamale Kamalalaye Prasida Prasida Srim Hrim Srim Om Mahalakshmi Namah Achamaniyam Samarpayami. Offer the water to Mahalakshmi at the door sill and take the same water as prasad. Now keep on sprinkling water as long as the mantra is recited, imagining that you are giving her a divine bath. Om Srim Hrim Srim Kamale Kamalalaye Prasida Prasida Srim Hrim Srim Om Mahalakshmi Namah. Om Srim Hrim Srim Kamale Kamalalaye Prasida Prasida Srim Hrim Srim Om Mahalakshmi Namah. Om Srim Hrim Srim Kamale Kamalalaye Prasida Prasida Srim Hrim Srim Om Mahalakshmi Namah. Om Srim Hrim Srim Kamale Kamalalaye Prasida Prasida Srim Hrim Srim Om Mahalakshmi Namah. Om Srim Hrim Srim Kamale Kamalalaye Prasida Prasida Srim Hrim Srim Om Mahalakshmi Namah. Om Srim Hrim Srim Kamale Kamalalaye Prasida Prasida Srim Hrim Srim Om Mahalakshmi Namah. Om Srim Hrim Srim Kamale Kamalalaye Prasida Prasida Srim Hrim Srim Om Mahalakshmi Namah. Om Srim Hrim Srim Kamale Kamalalaye Prasida Prasida Srim Hrim Srim Om Mahalakshmi Namah. You can also sprinkle Panchamritam, a mixture of cow milk, yogurt, ghee, honey and sugar while reciting the mantra. Take a flower and wipe off the wetness at the door sill. Just a formality. And hold 2 flowers in your right hand. Om Srim Hrim Srim Kamale Kamalalaye Prasida Prasida Srim Hrim Srim Om Mahalakshmi Namah Vastrarthe Pushpam Samarpayami. Place the 2 flowers on the door sill. Now, again take Pushpam, flower or turmeric powder and kumkum. Om Srim Hrim Srim Kamale Kamalalaye Prasida Prasida Srim Hrim Srim Om Mahalakshmi Namah Abharanarthe Pushpa Haridrachurna Sahita Kunkuman Dharayami. Now hold sandalwood powder in your right hand. Om Srim Hrim Srim Kamale Kamalalaye Prasida Prasida Srim Hrim Srim Om Mahalakshmi Namah Gandham Dharayami. Apply the sandalwood paste onto the door sill. Now hold either flowers or kumkum in a cup or a plate and keep on worshipping Mahalakshmi at the door sill. Om Srim Hrim Srim Kamale Kamalale Prasida Prasida Srim Hrim Srim Om Mahalakshmi Namaha. For every recital, put one flower on the door frame. 8 times we'll do this. Om Srim Hrim Srim Kamale Kamalale Prasida Prasida Srim Hrim Srim Om Mahalakshmi Namaha. Om Srim Hrim Srim Kamale Kamalale Prasida Prasida Srim Hrim Srim Om Mahalakshmi Namaha. Om Srim Hrim Srim Kamale Kamalale Prasida Prasida Srim Hrim Srim Om Mahalakshmi Namaha. Om Srim Hrim Srim Kamale Kamalale Prasida Prasida Srim Hrim Srim Om Mahalakshmi Namaha. Om Srim Hrim Srim Kamale Kamalale Prasida Prasida Srim Hrim Srim Om Mahalakshmi Namaha. Om Srim Hrim Srim Kamale Kamalale Prasida Prasida Srim Hrim Srim Om Mahalakshmi Namaha. Om Srim Hrim Srim Kamale Kamalale Prasida Prasida Srim Hrim Srim Om Mahalakshmi Namaha. You can also recite Mahalakshmi Ashtottaram if you know here. Light an incense stick, put out the fire and hold it so that the smoke from the incense stick flows towards the main door sill. Om Srim Hrim Srim Kamale Kamalale Prasida Prasida Srim Hrim Srim Om Mahalakshmi Namaha. Dhupam Akrapayami. Now take a lamp and show it to the Mahalakshmi goddess on the door frame, circling it in the clockwise direction. Om Srim Hrim Srim Kamale Kamalale Prasida Prasida Srim Hrim Srim Om Mahalakshmi Namaha. Now, take some food item. It can be a banana with the skin peeled off. It can be sugar crystals. It can be a coconut broken and cut into small pieces. Whatever is available, you can offer. Place it in a silver, copper or brass plate, no stainless steel, and sprinkle water around the plate in the clockwise direction, reciting Gayatri Mantra. Om Srim Hrim Srim Kamale Kamalale Prasida Prasida Srim Hrim Srim Om Mahalakshmi Namaha. Naivedyam Nivedayami. Om Bhurtvasvah Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yonah Prachodayat. Om Apo Jyoti Rasomrutam Brahma Bhurtvasvarom Devasya Prasuva Amrutamastu. Now sprinkle water on the food. Again circle it around the plate. Amruto Pastramati Satyam Tvartena Parishinchami. If it is the night time, you need to recite Ritanta Satvena Parishinchami. Now offer that food either by way of mudras or just take a portion of the food and show it each time one mantra is recited and put it in a separate plate. Imagine Mahalakshmi is eating the food offered. 6 times you need to do like that. Every time you put the offered food in a separate plate and which you can take as a prasad. Om Pranaya Swaha. Om Apanaya Swaha. Om Vyanaya Swaha. Om Udanaya Swaha. Om Samanaya Swaha. Om Brahmane Swaha. Now, take a spoonful of water and offer to Mahalakshmi goddess on the door sill and take it as prasadam. Madhye madhye paniyam samarpayami. Now, sprinkle water around the plate in which the balanced naivedyam is remaining. Turn the water in the anti-clockwise direction while reciting this mantra. Amrutamastu, Amruta Pidhanamasi, Uttara Auposaram Samarpayami. Now, sprinkle water on the door frame, imagining you are washing the hands of Mahalakshmi. Hastau Prakshalayami. Again sprinkle water, imagining you are washing the feet of Mahalakshmi. Padau Prakshalayami. Offer the water with a spoon to Mahalakshmi and take it as a prasadam. Suddha achamaniyam samarpayami. Now take a flower. After reciting the mantra, place the flower on the door sill. Om Srim Hrim Srim Kamale Kamalalaye Prasida Prasida Srim Hrim Srim Om Mahalakshmi Namah Mantra Pushpam Samarpayami. Om Mahalakshmi Cha Vidmahe Vishnu Patni Cha Dhimahi Tanno Lakshmi Prachodayat. Om Narayanaya Vidmahe Vasudevaya Dhimahi Tanno Vishnu Prachodayat. Now, light camphor in a plate and circle the plate in a clockwise direction, showing the lighted camphor to Mahalakshmi. Om Srim Hrim Srim Kamale Kamalalaye Prasida Prasida Srim Hrim Srim Om Mahalakshmi Namah. Om Srim Hrim Srim Kamale Kamalalaye Prasida Prasida Srim Hrim Srim Om Mahalakshmi Namah. Ananda Karpur Nirajanam Darshayami. Now, you can sing a song if you are a good singer. And then, as long as you are singing the song, you can treat the plate in a circular direction. After that, you put a drop of water onto the plate and with both hands facing down, take the heat of the lighted camphor. After removing the glasses, if you have any on your eyes, take the heat onto the eyes. Raksham dharayami. Now take akshatas in your right hand and pour water from a glass onto your right hand, keeping the right hand in a slightly slanted position so that the akshatas will fall into a plate along with the water while reciting the mantra. Mantrahinam, Kriyahinam, Bhaktihinam, Saddhahinam, Dravyahinam, Mahalakshmi. Yat Pujitam Maya Devi Paripurnam Tatastute Anaya Maya Kruta Etat Puja Sarvam Mahalakshmi Paradevatar Padamastu. Now sprinkle that water in the plate on yourself and on your household members. With folded hand, recite following mantra. Om Purnamataha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Avasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. After this, you need to enter the house. First, the lady of the house puts her right foot across the main door sill, holding a silver or copper vessel, which is called kalasha, of water, while reciting any mantra, preferably Om Srim Hrim Srim Kamale Kamalalaye Prasida Prasida Srim Hrim Srim Om Mahalakshmi Namah. And she will be followed by the head of the family, male member, who will be holding the icons and photograph of the deities in a plate. They will be followed by the children and friends and relatives who can hold with each of them fruits, flowers, turmeric powder, kumkum, and other auspicious material. You go straight into the puja room or a place where the puja is intended to be done and keep the kalash and the God's icons and photos on a specially made pedestal. You can wait till your family members or relatives help to prepare a nice pedestal for the kalash and the icon. After keeping them there, you go to the kitchen. The gas stove should be in the southeast corner of the kitchen. Even if it is not there, you can face southeast corner and light the stove as if your fire is in the southeast corner. If your stove has got 4 burners, it will always be good to light the top right hand burner, which is the southeast corner. While lighting the fire for the first time, which is done by the lady of the house, the following mantra should be recited. Om Agnin Dutam Vrinimahe Hotaram Visvavedasam Asya Yajnasya Sukratum Ram Reem Room Raim Raum Rah Ramala Varyum Agnimandalaya Namah Agnim Avahayami. After lighting the fire, you need to put akshatas onto the fire. Then you hold a copper or brass vessel, newly won, and recite the following mantra. Om Asatyena Rajasa Vartamano Nivesa Yannamrutam Martyancha Hiranmayena Savita Radhena Devo Yati Bhuvana Vipashyanna Hram Hrim Hrum Hraim Hraum Raha Ramala Varayum Surya Mandalaya Namah Suryam Avahayami. Place that vessel on the fire. Now you pour cow milk into the vessel, reciting the following mantra. Om Apyaya Swasametute Visvatah Soma Vrishniyam Bhava Vajasya Sankathe Sam Sim Sum Saim Saum Sah Samala Varayum Soma Mandalaya Namah Somam Avahayami. Now let the milk boil. Ask another lady to oversee the preparation of kheer, the rice pudding, which will be offered to Ganesha after the puja is over. Rice pudding is made once the milk is boiled completely. You put handful of raw rice and jaggery or sugar into the milk and allow it to boil along with the rice and jaggery so that it is well cooked. Once it is prepared, that rice pudding should be offered as a naivedyam to Ganesha. Now let us go to the puja room or puja place where the puja is intended to be done. You need to prepare a turmeric Ganapati, which is a pyramid made out of turmeric paste, and place it on a betel leaf or any leaf if the betel leaf is not available, and place it in a silver or copper plate and place it on the pedestal in the puja place. Again, light a lamp, another lamp at the puja place, do the Guru Dhyanam. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwaraha, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Sri Gurave Namaha. With folded hands, recite Ganapati. Om Shuklam Baradaram Vishnum Sachivarnam Tidurbhujam Prasannavadanam Dhyayet Sarva Vighnopashantayet. Now do the Achamanam, which you have done at the door frame puja. In a similar fashion, drink 3 times pure water, reciting the following mantra. Aim Atmatatvaya Swaha. Kleem Vidyatatvaya Swaha. Sau Sivatatvaya Swaha. Now this time, pour the water into a plate in such a way that the water flows between your middle and ring fingers of your right hand into the plate. While reciting, Aim Kleem Sau Sarvatatvebhya Swaha. Do the pranayama like before, reciting Gayatri Mantra. Om Bhur Bhuvasvaha Tatsavitur Varenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yonah Prachodayat. Now, take akshatas in your right fist and keep your right fist on your left palm and keep both on your right thigh, reciting this sankalpa. You need to repeat this mantra along with this. Mama Upapta Samasta Duritakshaya Dwara Nutana Griha Pravesha Samdarbha Samayena Sri Siddhalakshmi Sameta Sri Vallabha Sri Mahaganapati Prityartham Tadanugrahena Sakala Vigna Nivarana Sityartham Sri Mahaganapati Pujam Karishye. And you need to put the akshatas on the turmeric Ganapati, which is prepared well before the puja. Now, let us do the 16 upacharas to Ganapati. Hold akshatas. Om Srim Hrim Klim Glaum Gam Ganapati Varavarda Sarvajanam Eva Samanaya Swaha Dhyayami. Place the akshatas onto Ganapati. Now hold a flower and akshatas. Om Srim Hrim Klim Glaum Gam Ganapati Varavarda Sarvajanam Eva Samanaya Swaha Mahaganapatim Avahayami. Place the flower and akshata onto the Ganapati. Now sprinkle water onto Ganapati as long as this mantra is being recited, imagining you are washing the feet of Ganapati. Om Srim Hrim Klim Glaum Gam Ganapati Varavarda Sarvajanam Eva Samanaya Swaha Padyam Samarpayami. Imagine you are washing the hands of Ganapati now. Om Srim Hrim Klim Glaum Gam Ganapati Varavarda Sarvajanam Eva Samanaya Swaha Hastayorghyam Samarpayami. Now take a spoonful of water and offer to Ganapati, and after that you can take the water as prasad. Om Srim Hrim Klim Glaum Gam Ganapati Varavarda Sarvajanam Eva Samanaya Swaha Achamaniyam Samarpayami. Now keep on sprinkling water onto the turmeric Ganapati as long as this mantra is being recited 12 times. Om Srim Hrim Klim Glaum Gam Ganapati Varavarda Sarvajanam Eva Samanaya Swaha. Om Srim Hrim Klim Glaum Gam Ganapati Varavarda Sarvajanam Eva Samanaya Swaha. Om Srim Hrim Klim Glaum Gam Ganapati Varavarda Sarvajanam Eva Samanaya Swaha. Om Srim Hrim Klim Glaum Gam Ganapati Varavarda Sarvajanam Eva Samanaya Swaha. Om Srim Hrim Klim Glaum Gam Ganapati Varavarda Sarvajanam Eva Samanaya Swaha. Om Srim Hrim Klim Glaum Gam Ganapati Varavarda Sarvajanam Eva Samanaya Swaha. Om Srim Hrim Klim Glaum Gam Ganapati Varavarda Sarvajanam Eva Samanaya Swaha. Om Srim Hrim Klim Glaum Gam Ganapati Varavarda Sarvajanam Eva Samanaya Swaha. Om Srim Hrim Klim Glaum Gam Ganapati Varavarda Sarvajanam Eva Samanaya Swaha. Om Srim Hrim Klim Glaum Gam Ganapati Varavarda Sarvajanam Eva Samanaya Swaha. Om Srim Hrim Klim Glaum Gam Ganapati Varavarda Sarvajanam Eva Samanaya Swaha. Om Srim Hrim Klim Glaum Gam Ganapati Varavarda Sarvajanam Eva Samanaya Swaha. Ganapatim Snapayami. You can also sprinkle Panchamritam as before. Now hold 2 flowers and place it onto Ganapati as if you are offering dress for Ganapati to wear. Om Srim Hrim Klim Glaum Gam Ganapati Varavarda Sarvajanam Eva Samanaya Swaha Vastrarthe Pushpam Samarpayami. Now hold akshatas. Om Srim Hrim Klim Glaum Gam Ganapati Varavarda Sarvajanam Eva Samanaya Swaha Abharanarthe Akshatam Samarpayami. Now hold sandalwood powder. Apply the sandalwood powder to Ganapati at the end of the mantra. Om Srim Hrim Klim Glaum Gam Ganapati Varavarda Sarvajanam Eva Samanaya Swaha Ganapatim Gandham Dharayami. Now keep on putting flowers onto Ganapati, worshipping him with Ganapati mantra recited 12 times. Om Srim Hrim Klim Glaum Gam Ganapati Varavarda Sarvajanam Eva Samanaya Swaha. Om Srim Hrim Klim Glaum Gam Ganapati Varavarda Sarvajanam Eva Samanaya Swaha. Om Srim Hrim Klim Glaum Gam Ganapati Varavarda Sarvajanam Eva Samanaya Swaha. Om Srim Hrim Klim Glaum Gam Ganapati Varavarda Sarvajanam Eva Samanaya Swaha. Om Srim Hrim Klim Glaum Gam Ganapati Varavarda Sarvajanam Eva Samanaya Swaha. Om Srim Hrim Klim Glaum Gam Ganapati Varavarda Sarvajanam Eva Samanaya Swaha. Om Srim Ring Kling Glaum Gam Ganapati Varavartam Sarvajanam Mevatmane Swaha. Om Srim Ring Kling Glaum Gam Ganapati Varavartam Sarvajanam Mevatmane Swaha. Om Srim Ring Kling Glaum Gam Ganapati Varavartam Sarvajanam Mevatmane Swaha. Om Srim Ring Kling Glaum Gam Ganapati Varavartam Sarvajanam Mevatmane Swaha. Om Srim Ring Kling Glaum Gam Ganapati Varavartam Sarvajanam Mevatmane Swaha. Om Srim Ring Kling Glaum Gam Ganapati Varavartam Sarvajanam Mevatmane Swaha. Now, light an incense stick, put out the fire and show it to Ganapati. Om Srim Ring Kling Glaum Gam Ganapati Varavartam Sarvajanam Mevatmane Swaha. Dhupam Aghrapayami. Now, take a lamp and show it in the clockwise direction to Ganapati. Om Srim Ring Kling Glaum Gam Ganapati Varavartam Sarvajanam Mevatmane Swaha. Deepam Darshayami. Now you offer food as Naivedyam to Ganapati. The best food is jaggery pieces or coconut pieces or pieces of banana. Place them in a plate and sprinkle water round the plate reciting Gayatri Mantra. Om Bhurbhuvassuvaha Tat Savitur Varenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yonah Prachodayat. Now keep the vessel having rice pudding before Ganapati and sprinkle water around the vessel reciting Gayatri Mantra. Om Bhurbhuvassuvaha Tat Savitur Varenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yonah Prachodayat. Om Apo Jyotirasumrutam Brahma Bhurbhuvasvarom Deva Savitu Prasuva. Now, sprinkle a drop of ghee onto the rice pudding. Amrutamastu. Now, again sprinkle water around the vessel having rice pudding. Sprinkling water in the clockwise direction. Om Amrutamastu Amrutavapasarvasi Satyan Tvartena Parishinchami. Now offer the food 6 times to Ganapati. Om Pranaya Swaha. Om Apanaya Swaha. Om Vyanaya Swaha. Om Udanaya Swaha. Om Samanaya Swaha. Om Brahmane Swaha. Now offer water to Ganapati with a spoon and take it as a prasadam. Madhye Madhye Paniyam Samarpayami. Now sprinkle water in the anti-clockwise direction around the vessel. Amrutamastu Amruta Pidhanamasi Uttara Auposanam Kalpayami. Now again sprinkle water onto Ganapati as if you are washing his hand. Hasto Prakshalayami. Again sprinkle, imagining you are washing Ganapati's feet. Pado Prakshalayami. Offer water with a spoon and take it as a prasad. Mukhe Achamaniyam Samarpayami. Now hold akshatas and flowers with folded hands. Recite the following. Om Srim Ring Kling Glaum Gam Ganapati Varavartam Sarvajanam Mevatmane Swaha. Mantra Pushpam Samarpayami. Om Ekadantaya Vidmahe Vakrathundaya Dhimahi Tanno Danti Prachodayat. Now place camphor in a plate and light it and move the plate in a circular direction, in the clockwise direction, reciting the mantra. Om Srim Ring Kling Glaum Gam Ganapati Varavartam Sarvajanam Mevatmane Swaha. Ananda Karpur Niradaram Darshayami. You can also sing a bhajan or a song on Ganapati. After that, put a drop of water onto the plate and by removing the glasses, if you have, with hands facing, palms facing down, transfer the heat of the Karpura onto your eyes, feeling the warmth. Raksham Dharayami. Take akshatas in your right hand, pour water with a glass onto the right hand so that the water along with the akshatas falls into a plate. Mantrahinam, kriyahinam, bhaktihinam, shraddhahinam, dravyahinam, ganadhipa, yat pujitam, maya deva, paripurnam, tadastute, anaya, maya krita, etat, puja sarvam, siddhalakshmi sameta, Sri Vallabha, Sri Mahaganapati Arpanamastu. Now, with folded hands, recite the mantra. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamuduchyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Avasishyate Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. This is the simplest Griha Pravesh Puja. Those who want to do a Homa, we are enclosing the video of how to do a Homa. Along with this, by watching that, you can do Ganapati Homa. And you can also do a Navagraha Homa, replacing the Ganapati mantra with Navagraha mantras if you want to do the Navagraha Homa. So basically, you should do Lakshmi Puja at the main door frame, Ganapati Puja inside the house. And also, if possible, you can do a small havar. Let the goddess Lakshmi and Mahaganapati blessings be on you for a happy, peaceful, healthy, prosperous life in the new house. Shri Matre Namah.